Hi, it's Joe from WHR Marketing, and today we're going to focus on the AMZ Quick View extension by AMZScout. So it's very easy, just type Amazon Quick View by AMZScout on Google, it will come up, add it to your Google Chrome, and then you'll see it will come up here, I believe there, AMZScout Quick View, it's right here. What you're going to do next, you're going to go to Amazon and you're going to type in a product. So I've typed in kitchen knife set with block already. So once the quick view is activated, you'll see a QV up here. So if we just have a look maybe at this product here, if you hover over it, okay, it comes up in quick view as product history and keywords. So what you're going to see is with the quick view extension, you're going to see how many Amazon sellers there are. So with this product, there's only one other competition. Okay, you're going to see the ratings. So it's a 4.6 with 523 reviews. So that means it's a good quality product. If we scroll down, it gives us more information here. So the price, FBA fees, so it will show you your profit margin here, and the listing quality. So if you click here, again, I've talked about this in the previous videos, we can see all the ticks there, apart from there's one there which is the description length. So if you were trying to make a better listing than this one, we can see here that we'd focus on description length. This particular item, the seller has written under 1,000 words. So you can either write over 1,000 yourself, or like I said in previous videos, WHR Marketing, we offer a SEO-friendly e-commerce product description writing service. So we can do all that for you, and I'll put that in the link below. So if we go back to the quick view, okay, that was product. It has history here, so it gives you the price, which is over here, and it has the rank. So it gives you a monthly overview. So we can see the price at the start of the month was $44. It's gone down to $35. So with the rank, the lower the rank, the better. So we can see, in fact, this by them lessening the price by $10. Sometimes that happens on here. And then lessening the price by $10. Look how low the ranking's gone. So the ranking has made a huge difference. Okay, so the lower the ranking means the more sales. So we can see they've probably 10 times their sales just by reducing the product by $10. Okay, so we can see that if we were to get that product from a supplier, we're looking at the $34.99 range. Okay, that's where the profit seems to be at. If we go to keywords, okay, that will load up a list of keywords that have been scraped for this product from AMZScout. So it will help us find relevant terms we want to rank for. So for example, we could target kitchen knife set, or what else is there on there? We've got chef's knife sets, okay, cooking knife. So you've got all of those words that we can target as our main keywords. Okay, so it depends what angle you want to go down, and again, you'll be able to go to Alibaba or whatever supplier you use and tell them the requirements to suit the type of product you want to make. Okay, if we get off of the quick view, hover over, quick view also shows up down here. So under each product, when you've activated quick view, you'll see the ASIN, the brand name, how many sellers, the FBA fees and product profit margin, and then you'll see the listing quality for that product, which we showed you earlier, and all these features here, and that will be for all the products. Whatever you've typed in, whatever page you're on, that quick view will help you. Okay, so quick view is a part of the Amazon sellers bundle. Okay, so if you look over here, this is what you get with all the Amazon sellers bundle, or you can simply just get the Pro extension on its own, but I would recommend getting all of those features as for $10 extra per month with our discount code, you'll be getting a lot more value. So I would really recommend going for all of those rather than just the Pro extension. Okay, and we've put a massive discount in the link in the description, so if you want to use that, it's there for you, it's activated for you already. What I want to know before we go is, what is the best Amazon FBA tool you've ever used, or what is the biggest profit you've made and which product was that? Please like and subscribe to the channel. We've got more AMZScout reviews in this series, so please look out for them. I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.